The Whitehill Combi Heads are an ideal tooling choice for users demanding professional quality results from a smaller tooling collection. Called a combi head because they combine and take on the roles of a few different cutter heads in one cost-effective package. As a rebate head, the combi heads employ reversible tungsten carbide cutters in a shear cutting configuration along with spurs for a long edge life and excellent surface finish even in challenging grain. As a limiter head, they accept replaceable cutters and limiters without the need to remove the rebate cutters. Choose from the extensive Whitehill collection of profiles or have custom profiles made to your specifications with the option of carbide tipped versions of these cutters available for extended durability. These blocks can be flush mounted on the top of suitable spindles to permit tenoning with square or scribe shoulders. By allowing timber to pass over top of the block, long tenons can be machined without the need for large diameter tooling and high horsepower machine. For more details on the different combi heads available or any other tooling, consult the Whitehill webpage or connect with us directly through the contact information below.